Hi and welcome back to my channel again. What we're going to do today is a simple four-leaf clover. To start with, we have to make a magic ring. So this is how to do a magic ring and position your yarn in your fingers. And then we will start with chain 3. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then after chain 3, we need to have 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch. Please hold your magic ring loose so you can work on it properly. So we have now one clover leaf. Then you just have to repeat that 4 times. So now again we're doing the double crochet, 1, and then 2, and then 3 double crochet, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch. Okay, so 2 more, 1, 2, 3, chain, 3 double crochet. So we have 1, 2, and 3 double crochet, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then slip stitch. So now we have 3 leaves, 1, 2, 3. Okay, tighten your magic ring for a while, then chain 3 again, 2, 3, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and then chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3. So this is the fourth leaf, the last slip stitch, and then tighten your magic ring. So look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4 leaf. Then if you tighten the magic ring, okay, you will see the beautiful 4-leaf clover. Nice. Okay, now for we need to chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and just go back, single crochet, 9 single crochet, going back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then slip stitch on the magic ring. I just slip stitch on the magic ring. Yeah, I slip stitch there, and then chain 1 just to lock it, and then yeah, just tie a knot, pull your magic ring, just like that. That's it. Yeah, just to close it, you can tie these two excess yarns, or up to you how you would like to close it. Thank you again for watching, and if you are looking for some easy project crochet, please subscribe to my channel and we will work new projects together. Thank you so much, and be proud of all your finished products, your all your finished projects. Thank you.